Lot-lot, sobrang nagdadalamhati sa pagpanaw ng inang si superstar Nora Honor. Ipinagbigay alam na sa publiko ng aktres na si Lotlot de Leon ang mga detalye sa isasagawang lamay ng National Artist for Film and Broadcast Arts at superstar na si Nora Honor na namayapa nitong Miyerkules Santo ng gabi, April 16. Mababasa ang anunsyo ng visiting at mass schedule para kay Ate Guy sa social media platforms ni Lotlot de Leon. April 17, Monday, Thursday, 7 p.m. to 12 midnight family viewing, 8 p.m. Mass. April 18, Good Friday, 1 p.m. to 12 noon, family and friends, 7 p.m. Mass. April 19, Black Saturday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. public viewing, 5 p.m. to 12 midnight, family and friends, 7 p.m. Mass. April 20, Easter Sunday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. viewing public. April 21, Monday, 1 p.m. to 12 midnight, family and friends, 7 p.m. Mass. April 22, Tuesday, interment at libingan ng mga bayani. Sa mga nagnanais masilayan ng superstar, magsadya lamang sa The Chapel ng Heritage Park sa Taguig. Mababasa naman ang madamdaming tribute at kompermasyon ni Lotlot hinggil sa pagpanaw ng kanilang ina. It is with deep sorrow that we announce the passing of Nora Honor, our beloved mother, celebrated television and movie actress, and a true national artist of the Philippines. Born on May 21, 1953, she touched generations with her unmatched talent, grace, and passion for the craft. Her voice, presence, and artistry shape a legacy that will never fade, Anya. She was a star, not only on screen, but in the hearts of many, and stars like hers never stop shining. Funeral services details to follow. We thank you everyone for their love and support and ask for continued prayers during this time of mourning. Her light lives on, forever love, never forgotten. Anya pa. Nakakadurog talaga ng puso ang mga nangyayari ngayon sa pamilya ni Lotlot de Leon. Nakalilisan lang ng kanyang dating biyanan na Miss Pilita Corrales, ngayon naman ay ang inang superstar Nora Honor ang lumisan. Condolence sa buong pamilya mo Lotlot, and rest in paradise, Miss Nora Honor. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.